Welcome back to another Element Pack Pro tutorial. Today, we're exploring the EDD Category Grid, a powerful third-party widget. It lets you display your easy digital downloads categories in a clean, responsive grid. Perfect for digital stores, it enhances navigation, showcases products, and boosts engagement. Easily customize layouts, images, and styles to match your website. Ready to dive in? Let's get started. To begin, open your editor and look for the EDD Category Grid widget by typing its name into the search bar located on the left side of your screen. Once you see it appear in the results, drag it into your editing area. At this point, the default layout will load automatically, ready for you to personalize. Start in the Content tab, where the first section you will encounter is the layout. Here, you can choose a skin style from a set of beautifully pre-designed options. Take a moment to preview each style so you can select the one that best matches your design vision. For this demonstration, we will go with the first style. From here, you can fine-tune the column arrangement, adjust the spacing between items, and set a specific item height for consistency across the grid. You will also find a toggle switch that allows you to enable the use of a static image. If you turn this on, you can upload and select a specific image to be displayed for your grid categories. Just below, there are settings for image resolution, as well as a switch to show or hide the product count. Next, move to the Query section. Here you can decide which type of query to use, whether you want to show all categories, only parent categories, or only child categories. Within this section, you will notice two sub-tabs, Include and Exclude. The Include tab allows you to display only specific categories you want to highlight. This is especially useful for showcasing featured collections such as bestsellers, seasonal items, or curated selections for your homepage. You will have control over which categories appear, the order in which they are shown, how they are sorted, and whether to hide empty categories. On the other hand, the Exclude tab works oppositely. It allows you to hide specific categories from the grid, making it ideal for keeping outdated, irrelevant, or restricted items out of sight. The options here are similar to the Include tab, giving you flexibility in how you manage your displayed categories. Once your content settings are in place, move to the Style tab for deeper visual customization. The first section here is called Item, and it contains two sub-tabs, Normal and Hover. In the normal state, you can customize the background type, adjust overlay colors, and fine-tune padding and margin values. You can also select a border type, change its radius, and create a polished edge around each item. In the hover state, you have the opportunity to change the background type, modify overlay and border colors, and create interactive effects that respond when a visitor hovers over an item. The next styling area is the Content section, which also features the Normal and Hover sub-tabs. In the normal state, you can customize the background, adjust padding and margins, and define the border style, radius, and even add a subtle box shadow for depth. In the hover state, you can fine-tune border colors and box shadow effects for interactive emphasis. Following that is the Category section, where you again have Normal and Hover options. In the normal state, you can define the category text color, adjust margins, and fully customize typography, choosing your preferred font family, size, weight, text transformation, style, decoration, letter spacing, and word spacing. The hover state lets you change the hover color, allowing your category labels to respond to user interaction visually. Finally, you reach the Count section, which controls the product count display. Similar to previous sections, both normal and hover states are available. In the normal state, you can change the text color and typography settings with the same level of control as before. In the hover state, you can adjust the hover color for a subtle yet professional touch. Once you have fine-tuned every detail to match your vision, click the Publish button and preview your work to see your beautifully customized EDD Category Grid in action. And that's how you can use the EDD Category Grid in Element Pack Pro to showcase your easy digital downloads categories in a clean, engaging layout. To see more creative possibilities, visit our demo page and explore all the grid styles in action. For the latest and most versatile design tools, make Element Pack Pro your go-to plugin to elevate your digital store's user experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Hit the bell icon to stay updated on the latest features and tools from Element Pack Pro. Thanks for watching.